Hey guys, I'm Arv.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be making cupcakes Halloween style. Let's get to it.
Alright, so if you're new to the channel, we are two twins who really enjoy baking and we have for a very long time. And so we wanted to show you the fun of baking and some of our recipes that we made. So if you're new, please consider subscribing as it'll really help us out. Alright, make sure to click on that video up there, somewhere there, because that is the recipe that we'll be using for this video, the cake for the cupcakes and then the buttercream for the icing. Okay, so we have two piping bags. They're both reusable, and we have a ribbon piping tip and just like a normal flat piping tip. So we are going to have four different colors. We got black, orange, white, orange, and green. So green's gonna be in here because it's only for like the top of the pumpkins that we're gonna make. So yeah, that's basically why we have a small bag. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are gonna be making three different cupcakes. Our first one is going to be a spider web. Second one is going to be a pumpkin, and third one is gonna be a mummy. Okay, to start off with the pumpkin, we've got to get a good amount of icing. Put it into a bowl. Okay, and then we are going to grab some food coloring. We need orange, we're making orange. We need yellow and red. And we gotta put equal drops of it. So if you have 1 drop of red, then you gotta put 1 drop of yellow. Okay, so we added an equal amount of food coloring, so it didn't really turn out to what we wanted it to be, so we added a more yellow than red, but we got a pretty good color in the end. And yeah, so you can do like whatever color you want. I mean, like probably keep it orange, but it can be any shade of orange because pumpkins, you know, they don't always come in one color. It mixes around, but yeah, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, so you are going to need green food coloring for the next one because we are making green. You will only need a really small amount because all we're making with green is the stems of the pumpkins, and that's really small. So just a little bit like that. Put that in. Let me get a little more. Okay, now add about, I think, 3 drops of this. Perfect. And just mix that up. Perfect, and that's what our color is in the end. Alright, so now that we've done our green and our orange, we are going to head on into the black. So for the black, we're going to make a spider web out of it. So we'll be needing blue food coloring, green food coloring, and red food coloring. So this is we're using these 3 colors because we don't actually have straight up black food coloring. It's kind of a little bit harder to get. So yeah, we're going to be using these 3. So we will add in a couple drops. No, 1 drop of blue. Then, how many drops? We're gonna need 2 drops of the green, and then we are going to need 3 drops of the red. 3, good. Now, let's give this a mix. Okay, not what we expected. Oh, actually no, it's black. It's like gray. So I think let's add a couple more Drops of everything.
Yeah.
Sorry, let's add drops of everything, right?
Did we? Yeah. Add 1 more drop of this.
It gets dark. It's still great. It's like sludge.
There we go. That's
Yeah, just you have to add a lot. It's not like what you expect.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I rolled the piping bag around my hand so that we can put the frosting right there, so it's gonna come out right away. Okay, so now on to number 2. Yeah. Okay, now on to the third one, which is the black. Okay, the last one is the green, which we're gonna put in the plastic bag. Alright, now we're going to test these icing bags by just getting a little bit out, just to make sure that it comes out clean. Good. Okay, so first one, spiderweb. We got to get our white piping bag, our white icing, and then spin the top, twist it a couple times, and then push it down so that like no air gets in or out. Then pipe it, you gotta just bring it over and just get the whole top of it right now. That's all you want right now. So it doesn't really matter how this white icing looks, because we're gonna like flatten it out with, like, you can use an offset spatula. I have like this cheese cutter, it just has a really flat edge, so that's perfect. And or you can use like a butter knife or knife. Just like flatten it out. Okay, so then you can pop this in the freezer for about 3 to 5 minutes to get it like really hardened, so then we can add the spiderweb on top.
Alright, we are going to make the spiderweb now. So we're going to start off with like a twirl in the middle and gradually get bigger as shown on the screen here. Gonna keep on getting bigger. I know just thinking it doesn't really look like a spiderweb, but don't worry, it will. Keep on getting bigger until it like fits the circle. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now we're gonna get like a toothpick, or we got like this poker for the oven, and we're gonna make like a nice line there that'll show the spiderweb. It looks really cool. I like the design. It's gonna make 4. Second one now. You can actually double it if you want, just to make it like really bold. Now the third one. See, now look at that, that looks so cool. Now the fourth one. Alright, now on to pumpkin. Okay, so now on pumpkin, basically we are going to get a piping bag and just make like one layer and then another one, and so we have to make it like seem like it's overlapping. So it's going to be like a round like layer. So we're going to make multiple of them. So keep on going until we get to the end of the cupcake. Alright, this is the angle from the top. Now we're going to add the green part, like the stem of the like pumpkin. So he's going to add like a little dot there. Alright, now on to the mummy. To make your mummy, you're going to get your piping bag and you're gonna put lines through everywhere, like literally everywhere. It's like really simple. All you gotta do is just make one line this way, one line that way, and yeah, just put your lines on the cupcake. It's really simple. Just keep on going. Make sure to leave some space for your eyes of the mummy, because you're not going to actually put the eyes of the mummy on the white icing. You're going to put it on like the cupcake, not the white icing. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like,
Subscribe,
share the video.
and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any videos that we post.
So these cupcakes were really good. We hope you make them. Check out our Instagram, linked below, and
Also our website.
yeah, also linked below. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.